You downloaded a research paper, started reading, got to page 3, and understood absolutely nothing. Closed it, felt stupid. Here's the truth. You are not the problem. Research papers aren't written to be easy to read, they are written for experts. But I am giving you an exact 3-pass system that makes every paper readable. Even if you are a complete beginner. Let's go. I am Rizwan Alam. For 10 years, I have taught students how to read research papers without feeling overwhelmed. And here's what we are covering today. The biggest mistake everyone makes. The 3-pass reading method and which section to read in which order. By the end, you will read research papers 10 times faster. Let's start with the mistakes. Here's the mistake. You are reading research papers like novels, start to finish, from page 1 to page 12. That's wrong. Research papers aren't meant to be read that way. Even experienced researchers don't do that. Instead, you need to read in passes. 3 passes. Each pass has a different goal. First pass takes 5 minutes. Second pass takes 20 minutes. Third pass, only for critical papers, takes 1 to 2 hours. This is called 3-pass system. Let me break it down. Pass 1, skim, 5 minutes. Goal, decide if this paper is relevant to you. Pass 2, the scan, 20 minutes. Goal, understand what they did and what they found. Pass 3, the deep study, 1 to 2 hours. Goal, understand everything deeply to discuss or replicate. Most papers, you only need pass 1 or 2. Let's go through each. Part 1, the 5-minute skim. Here's what you read. Title, does it match your interest? Abstract, read every word. It summarizes everything. Introduction, just the first 2 paragraphs. They explain why this research matters. Section headings, scan all of them. Get the structure. Conclusion, read it fully. What did they find? That's it, 5 minutes total. Now ask yourself, is this paper relevant to your research? If yes, move on to pass 2. Otherwise, move to the next paper. Don't waste time on irrelevant papers. Most papers you download, pass 1 is enough. Pass 3, the deep study, 1 to 2 hours. You might not need this yet if you are just starting out. But once you have a research topic and you have found papers that directly shape your work, this is how you go deep. You only do this for 5 to 10 papers total, not every paper you read. Here's the process. Read everything, every section, every equation, every reference. Question every claim. How do they know this? What's their evidence? Do I agree with their interpretation? Try to recreate their figures mentally. Can I explain how they got these results? Read key papers from their reference list. This gives you context. Write a detailed 500-word summary. Background, methods, results, significance, and your critical analysis. This level of reading. It's hard work, but these papers become the foundation of your research. Let's talk about each section specifically. Think of this as your quick cheat sheet. A reference you can come back to anytime. Abstract, always read this first. It's your decision point. If this doesn't match your interest, stop, don't continue. Introduction, this tells you the why. Why does this research matter? What gap are they filling? Read carefully. Methodology, here's the thing. In pass 1 or 2, skim this. You don't need every detail. In pass 3, read it thoroughly. If you are replicating their work. Results, focus on their visuals, figures and tables first. Then read the text. The numbers and trends matter most. Discussion, this is the author's interpretation. What do they think it means? you can disagree. That's okay from your own opinion. References, gold mine. Look at their reference list. Find 3 to 5 papers that seem relevant. Read those next. This is how you build your literature network. 4 practical tips. 1. Use color-coded highlighting. Yellow for important findings, pink for things you don't understand, green for ideas useful to your research. 2. Take notes in your own words. Don't copy-paste sentences, rephrase. This ensures you actually understand. 3. Read 3 papers on the same topic back to back. Patterns merge. You see what's common and what's unique. 4. Don't get stuck on one confusing sentence or equation. Move forward. Come back later if needed. Most confusion clears up with context. Now, 3 mistakes that waste hours. If you are making this, stop immediately. Pay attention to this. Mistake 1. Read linearly from start to finish. Use the 3-pass method instead. Mistake 2. Trying to understand every single word, equation, and references. Impossible and unnecessary. Focus on the big picture first. Details come later. Here's your action plan. After watching this video, go to Google Scholar. It's free. Just search your topic and filter by recent years. Download 3 papers in your area of interest. Apply pass on to all 3. Now you can actually understand research papers instead of just staring at them. Quick question. What section of research paper confuses you most? Methodology, results, discussion? Tell me in the comments. I will create content based on your need. Your turn. There is your complete system. 3-pass method, section by section strategy, practical tips, common mistakes. You can now read any research paper confidently. If this helped, like this video. Subscribe because next week I am showing you how to choose the research topic using the paper you have read. That's video 3 in the series. And I have prepared a free research paper reading template. It has the 3-pass checklist, section by section guide, and note-taking format. Link in the description. Download it. Use it today. Read your first paper. And I will show you next week for topic selection. Good luck.